we will be setting a few of the softwares. So do you have Anaconda installed? So click on the left hand side, Windows, see Windows. No, it's Windows. Yeah. 3.12. Click on this keyboard for downloading. So it is around 900 MB. It will take little time to download. Okay. In the meantime, then let us download another thing. Go to Google Chrome, both of you, and type git bash download.
Git bash.
Type git bash. Yes. Click on the first link. Yes. Download for Windows. Click on download for Windows. Click on git for Windows 64 x64 setup.
Oh.
So go to the downloads. Double click on this git bash. Click on next. I hope Vikas, for you also it is downloaded, right? This is a small one.
Oh, for me it is taking time. I don't know. Speed is fine, but it's still showing 5 minutes.
Git taking time.
Yeah. It's a 67 MB file only, no, right?
Yeah.
Because Arpan, I can go with the default settings, right?
Yeah. This you can go next and install. Yeah. For this there is no configurational change. Yeah. Okay. Done this. Now let's go to the third one. Go to Google Chrome. Now type VS Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download. Correct. Click on this. Click on the first link. Click on Windows. Left hand side Windows. Yeah. It will start downloading. Yeah. Go to the downloads. Double click on this. I accept. Wait. For in this, just remember you have to select this second and third option. Okay. Add open with both the option you have to select.
Okay. So just create this.
Click on next and just install. Keep on installing. So you are working in Singapore, Srinath?
Yeah, yes, Arpan.
Singapore, that's why your internet speed is okay. You can finish. Go to the Anaconda installation. Double click on this Anaconda.
No, GitHub.
Git. Click on next. Here is a one important configuration is there. Click on next. I agree. Click on I agree. Next. Next. Yes, here. Add Anaconda to my path environment. This you have to check. This is the important part. Add Anaconda to my path environment.
Okay. For me, it is opening.
Click on that, Srinath.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah, then install.
yeah,
Yeah, then install. Okay, fine. Let it install. So automatically, I think it will take a little bit of time. It gets installed just now. Now let us start with our API creation. Okay. So this is all part which is required for our coding and stuff. Okay. Both for machine learning and for Gen AI. Okay. Let's start with our API creation. Okay. So for that, first notepad and name the notepad as Gen AI APIs. Yeah, name it as this notepad as Gen AI APIs. Okay, save it. Now let us first create our OpenAI API link. So go to this link. Yeah, log in. So create secret key, my key or something like that, and then create secret key, and then save the key in that text pad saying OpenAI key. Okay.
Shall I have to copy this somewhere or it's okay?
Yeah, you have to copy and save it in the notepad. Inside the notepad, name it as OpenAI API key, and then name the notepad as GenAI API keys, so that we will create more API keys from other domains. So we save in that notepads only. In a single notepad, we save multiple API keys.
Then done, right?
Yeah, this is done. So now we will do for Google Gemini Pro, we will generate the API key. Okay. So go to this link.
Okay. I have to select this. I consent to this, right?
Yeah, consent,
Accept.
receive email and all that you can ignore if you want.
I accept.
Click on get API key.
The email ID which I'm logging in doesn't have to be same with the ChatGPT one which I logged in, right?
It is linked to your Google email ID.
Yeah. Google email ID is okay, but with the same Google ID, I logged in with ChatGPT.
Yeah, if it is
it's
same
different type.
also, it is okay. If it is different, that is also it's okay.
So this is create API, right? I need to click here.
Yeah, create API, create.
And then create API key new project.
Yeah.
It says unable to create. Me, it's a different error.
Copy and save it. Don't
For
save
me,
like this way. How will you know which API key is for which one? This is for Google Gemini.
So I
Google
have to
Gemini.
I
Right?
log in.
Google
for me, it says we are unable to create an API and cloud
Wait,
project.
wait, we'll come back. Wait, see. Let us. The the before one, just write OpenAI API key. SK before that. Save it. So done. Okay, now we will create read token and write token for Hugging Face. So click on this link. Sign up because you have to sign up for the first time, right? You've never used Hugging Face, so sign up. Click on sign up and it will ask you to, yeah, give your email address, password, next. Click on the link again, which I have given. If you are logged in, so it will automatically redirect you to that tokens. Now, as you have not verified your email ID and phone number, if you have verified, then this create new token would have enabled in the right hand corner. Srinath, you need to verify your email ID and phone number.
Okay.
Click on read. No, don't do anything here. Yes. Name the token as read token. Click on create token. Similarly, go to the right and type write token and create the write token.
Okay.
So one will be your read token, one will be your write token. So read token will be used to access open source LLM model, while write token will be used if we modify our LLM model, we can upload those models into Hugging Face. So that will be for write token. Okay. And the other tokens, especially OpenAI and Google Gemini Pro, for Google Gemini, those APIs will be used accessing the LLM models. Okay. We have to enable the billing with your credit card details and we will charge you $10, which you have to pay.
This $10 charge is for OpenAI, right? What if I already have a paid OpenAI, the ChatGPT one?
There is nothing to do with ChatGPT one. This is separate, that is separate.
Okay.
You can go and mute Srinath. So these are all the settings and the installation and the stuff which we have to do. We have done our setup. So we will proceed with understanding of OpenAI and LLM models, the GPT model, T5 model and all stuff, BERT model. We will start our journey on LLM. Then we will do prompt engineering, and then we will move into the agents. Okay. So that will be our structure plan of attack for our study. So we will do first LLM. We will understand prompt engineering. When I say LLM, we will understand the entire module of LLM with LangChain and stuff, different types of LLM model. We will, all these will be practical, okay? Nothing theoretical. So you have to log in with your laptop, all live coding. You will not be typing the code. Obviously, 1 hour session, you cannot type the code and do, but yes, I will explain the code. I will give you the code. Documentation will be provided, but you will understand each line of the code what you are using it. Okay, so all will be live, hands-on. You will be able to do it. Okay.